Okay, okay. I'm such a weirdo. Yes, you are, Leslie. You are a weirdo. A weirdo. Weirdo. A weirdo. You're a weirdo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Weirdo. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. Weirdo. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. You are a freaking weirdo. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you don't know me, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing some goodies. One of them was a giveaway that I won from Rachel. Her channel name is Flakydiva, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her somewhere here on the screen. I'll also link her down in the description box. If you guys haven't checked her out, go ahead and check her out. She is awesome. She had this giveaway going on and I actually completely forgot about it, and then she announced the winner and it was me, and I was so excited and actually forgot what it was too. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what I got. And I also got some friend mail from my girl Vanessa Beauty. That's her channel name. Vanessa is her name. I'll also put her here on the screen somewhere so you guys can check her out, and I'll put her down in the description box. Make sure you guys go show both of them some love. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Rachel's first, and it came in this Ipsy bag right here that I'm holding up. I already did open it just so that I could pull out the items easier and I'm not trying to struggle while I'm filming. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the stuff out here. And so I got a little card from her that I can see. Let me go ahead and get it opened. And it just says muchas gracias. It's a really pretty card here. And it just says, congratulations, you won my giveaway. Hope you love the dossier Tom Ford inspired. I added a couple of goodies to brighten your day. Always love your gorgeous eye looks. Thank you for your support and inspiration. Lots of love, Rachel. It's a cute little card here. She is awesome. Make sure that you guys go check her out. She does a lot of unboxings of different things. I know she does stuff with her hair as well, makeup. She has her shorts where she does her makeup and stuff like that. It's really cool, so make sure you guys go check her out. The main item in this giveaway was the dossier, I think that's how you say dossier perfume, and I'm so excited to try this. And it came in this little box like this, really cute. It says, ooh, the fair alternative to luxury perfumes. Made in France, risk-free order, vegan and cruelty-free, clean ingredients. Very nice. So the notes on this is rosewood, tobacco, pink pepper, coriander. The middle notes are oud, patchouli, vetiver, and base notes are tonka bean, labdanum, and cedarwood, which is good because those are my kinds of scents. Anyways, I really like the woodsy, musky smells. Those are my favorite. And this one is inspiration from Tom Ford, the Owlwood perfume. So that's a little cute card. I like that it has the notes in the card so that you know what the notes are. And it comes in this cute little packaging like this. It's so freaking cute. I love the bottle. It's so simplistic, like such a simplistic idea, but still looks fancy and cute. I love it. Oh yes, definitely my kind of smell. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to put this on. Oh yeah, I can definitely smell that cedarwood and the rosewood, the patchouli. I love it. It smells so good. I'm so excited about this. So definitely gonna be adding it to my perfume collection. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Rachel. I'm so excited. I love it. It smells so good. Love it. I've been trying to make my perfume collection bigger. I have like 3 right now, and then the 3 little sample ones, and now I have this one to add. Yay! So then she also sent me some other additional goodies, which I'm so grateful for. Super excited to get these. This is a mask. It looks like it's a Korean based mask, which is awesome. K-Beauty is so good and I'm super excited. So this is what the mask looks like. It looks really nice. I love the green packaging. It does have instructions here in the middle in English, but other than that, everything else is in probably Korean or Japanese or something. Super excited for this one. It's a pore solution mask. Nice. And then she sent this cute little bag here full of goodies that I'm super excited about as well. Let's go ahead and just start pulling things out because I'm excited for this. Ooh, Verb. I've actually never tried anything from Verb, so I'm excited to try these out. It's the Ghost Shampoo and Ghost Conditioner, and it looks like this. I've never tried anything from Verb, but I've heard good things, so that one's a good one. I'm gonna keep pulling the stuff out. Ooh, yes, some eye masks, some eye patches. Very cool. This is what they look like. So awesome. I think these are the Stella and Grace ones. I don't know, but I'm excited either way. I love eye patches and I rarely get enough sleep at night, so I'm always using up eye patches to make my big circles in the morning go away. Let's see what this is. Oh, another one, I think. Smoky Under Clear Eye Patch. Oh, broccoli extract, citrus lemon extract, and potato extract. Very cool. That's what that one looks like. I've never heard of this before. I'm super intrigued by it. Okay, we'll have to try that out. Let's see what else we have. Oh, what are these? Cute little star stickers? Are they for like your fingernails or something? I don't know, but they're super cute. I love little stars. Look at those. They are so cute. Golden stars. I could probably even put them on my fingernails. I think that's what they're supposed to be. But I probably will put them on my nails next time I do my nails. Let me keep pulling some stuff out here. So many goodies. I'm so grateful for this. Thank you so much, Rachel. I'm so excited. It's a blurring primer. Nice. YSL. I've actually don't have anything from YSL. That's exciting. I only have the perfume, but my brother bought me that last year for my birthday, I think. Ooh, a bath soap. Crabtree and Evelyn. Verbena and lavender. Ooh, I love lavender. It smells good. Oh yeah. Yum. Not yum like I'm gonna eat it, but yum, it smells good. Yes, I'm excited. I haven't had a bar soap in such a long time, but I do like them. Let's see here what else we have. Ooh, we have a number 7 product. I've tried one other number 7 product before. This is the Night Concentrate Skin Transforming Accelerator. So cool. Advanced Retinol. Okay, Night Concentrate. Very cool. That's what that one looks like. So cute. I love the little packaging. Yes. And then we have a Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Cetaphil, yes, I've heard so many good things about Cetaphil. I've actually don't think I've actually used it on my face before, but I know that Nikki Tutorials, I think she's Cetaphil or CeraVe, I don't know. But anyways, I have heard good things about this one, so I'm excited to try it out as well. And this one is for your face actually. Nourishes to deeply replenish skin's hydration for 48 hours. Awesome, because I have such dry skin. I can always use something to hydrate my face. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is from Ulta and it's a lip oil. Very cute. That's what it looks like. I love the packaging on this and the color is so pretty. Oh, I love pink. Fun fact, I didn't used to love pink till like a few years back, and now I have so many pink things, it's ridiculous, but I do love pink. I'm gonna put it on my lips now. It feels really nice. I'm excited for that. I love to have like little things like this in my purse. I carry them everywhere. I even have some at work because you never know when you're gonna need a little lip balm or lip oil or whatever for your lips, because with these masks your lips be getting really dry. So I think, yep, that's it for the giveaway part. Super excited. Thank you again, Rachel, so much for everything. Can't wait to wear the perfume. I'm excited about that and everything else, to try everything else out. I'm really excited for it. So thank you so much, Rachel, for everything. And now we're gonna open Vanessa's little friend mail she sent me. She's so nice. She sent me a few things here. Let me see what she sent. Oh, she sent a little card and it looks like this. It has little flowers on it. Really pretty. I love it. And it just says, Lin Lin Beauty, thank you for all you do, Vanessa. Enjoy your goodies. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. go ahead and make sure that you guys go check her out. She is the skincare queen, and recently she started getting into makeup, which I'm excited about. She's created some really pretty wearable looks, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, make sure you guys go check her out. She has so much energy. I don't know how she does it. She does so many videos and posts everywhere, and I don't have the energy she has. But she sent me these lashes. She said she was gonna go ahead and send these to me, and I was excited about them. These are the Baddington lashes, and actually I did get them in my boxy charm, I think, a while back, and I gave them to my mom. So now I'm excited I have them because they're so pretty. They're like a everyday lash kind of thing, and they do have the adhesive right there next to it. So I'm excited to have these now. Like I said, I gave mine to my mom because she wanted them, and it was easy for me to give them to her since she has the lash adhesive. So that's why I ended up giving mine to her. But now I have them again. Yay! I'm excited to try them out. And let's see what else I got in here. Oh, she sent me this Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin from First Aid Beauty. That is so awesome. I do like First Aid Beauty. I've used their stuff before. And of course, I'm excited because it is for dry skin. You guys know I'm a dry skin girl, so I need my moisture in my face. I have to have that hydration. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, and then there's one more thing in here. It looks like a big box, so let me go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, so she sent me the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. That is so exciting because actually I just finished the sample size of it like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, and now I have it again. This is the actual size of it, so I'm excited for this one. I do like the melting balms more than having like a wash. I don't know why I've been really into more the meltaways than the like wash ones, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have it. That's what it looks like. And then I haven't had one of these before, so I don't know like what it looks like, but it has a little spatula, of course, to take out the product. And if I can open it with these nails, there it is. It smells so good, and it looks green like that. And of course, you'll just take it out with this and then rub it on your face and stuff to take off your makeup. I'm so excited to have it. I was using the Bliss Melt one, and I do like that one, but I do like this one a little bit more than that. I'm gonna finish that one first, and then I'll start using this one. But yay, I'm so excited. There it goes. That is all the goodies that she sent. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Vanessa, for all the goodies. I love it. I'm excited to try all of them out and just have the lashes in my collection now. Yay! Alright guys, so that is it for today. Thank you again to Rachel and Vanessa for all the goodies you guys sent. I'm super excited. Can't wait to try everything out. But yeah, thank you, and I hope that you guys liked this video. If you want to see more of me, go ahead and click the bell, subscribe, comment, like, and let me know what else you guys want to see. What kinds of videos do you guys want to watch? Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!